What's up guys, Adam still here at the Warehouse Gym. How to use the Juggernaut, the chest fly combo. This thing is super awesome. I designed it myself. It's got a really fun ergonomic and physiological dynamic to it that it uses a ball joint on the upper arm so you can be very rotational and intentional with not only your balance on both sides of your shoulders and arms and chest, but also with your grip and your direction of movement and focus. So let me show you how to rock and roll this thing, okay? I'm gonna grab just 10 pounds. Now, don't be fooled. This is a very unique force incline on the plane with the slope. So definitely try and be conservative. I would always start with 5 or 10 pounds, even try it empty. The thing is humbling and it gets heavy quickly, okay? So small increments, just as the same as making big jumps, okay? So that's how we're gonna run it. I'm gonna start with 10 pounds. Seat's fully adjustable with a pin, super awesome. I'm gonna show you essentially like an incline and then kind of flat central sweep with the fly. And then we're gonna go ahead and I'll show you the lower as well. So really fun dynamic here. This thing's one of my favorite, absolute game changer for the chest. So I'm gonna grab the handles here, fully adjustable, and I'm gonna go ahead and go straight up into an incline position. Super nice, right over my, essentially looking straight over my eyes and nose here. And then I can bring it nice and open and control the weight down, resisting with the eccentric, and then together. Super good. And then squeeze. Just like so. One thing I like about this is you can also, it's very dynamic with how you can move it, so you're gonna realize that you can do quite a bit. So I can cross and get a little bit more of a push and a squeeze, and open nice and wide. I can even cross almost like as if I was using a cable. Super cool. Okay. Now, I can adjust the seat very simply. Pull the pin, raise it, come back down. I'm already set up for a standard chest fly. And I just bring it right in front of me. As you can see, it's interesting how you can change the direction, the dynamic with the pull, so you can stay very intentional on the force inward, and you can really feel it squeeze on the center of your chest coming in because you're keeping your elbows up in direction with how you squeeze your hands together. Awesome. Great. So yeah, that really makes a huge difference bringing it down. And so I really like that. It's super intense and very dynamic. And then what I like to do is you can bring this all the way up if you want. You can bring it all the way up, sit back, and I have my shoulders almost on top of the seat. And you can really focus on bringing it down into a decline fly. Very natural, good stretch. And I almost like, because we can do this and it's capable, I like to kind of rotate my palms down as I open, almost like I'm doing a low cable fly. You know, so instead of having to set up a bench, set the height, get your cables right, your distance away from the machine, I just move myself up on this and I can rotate the handles. I can get an awesome, awesome contraction and stretch across that lower minor right there in my chest. Woo! Getting some work. Nice. Boom. That's one fun way to rock and roll this thing. I'll tell you what, it's an awesome machine. This thing, believe me, you don't believe me, come try it. It'll change your life. You get a freaking chest pump quick. Super awesome. So, you guys, that is a real simple breakdown on how to quickly set yourself up and use the Juggernaut and get the most out of your workout using some of the war machines. So, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.